In this episode of The Wellness Detectives, we're uncovering the 4 worst and best milks for seniors to consume. Let's investigate. Have you ever opened your fridge, grabbed that familiar carton of milk, and assumed you were making a healthy choice? If you're over 60, that simple habit might be silently working against you. Recent research reveals a surprising truth. Not all milk is good for older adults. Some types can actually weaken bones, trigger inflammation, and even affect brain function. One major study found that seniors drinking the wrong kind of milk had over 50% higher rates of joint inflammation and fractures. But here's the good news. Not every milk is harmful. Some varieties can strengthen bones, support digestion, and sharpen mental clarity. Today we're uncovering the 4 worst milk choices for seniors and the 4 best alternatives that can truly protect your health. Let's start with the worst offenders. Despite its healthy image, most brands are loaded with added sugars and artificial stabilizers. Seniors drinking sweetened, non-dairy milks showed 40% higher insulin resistance, according to the Journal of Endocrinology and Aging. Most contain only about 2% almonds, the rest is sugar and fillers. The fix is to choose unsweetened, fortified versions only. Trendy, yes, but oats contain phytic acid which blocks calcium and magnesium absorption. Regular consumption can speed up bone loss and cause blood sugar spikes. The fix is to opt for fortified oat milk and limit intake if your blood sugar runs high. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry versions may taste great, but they're packed with sugars, sweeteners, and hydrogenated oils that drive inflammation and belly fat. The fix is to stick to plain lactose-free milk if you're sensitive to dairy. This common supermarket milk contains A1 beta-casein, a protein shown to trigger gut inflammation, joint pain, and fatigue in aging bodies. High heat pasteurization also destroys beneficial enzymes. The fix is to switch to A2 milk, which is gentler on digestion and joints. Naturally rich in A2 protein, it's easier to digest and reduces gut inflammation by over 25%. It delivers calcium, phosphorus, and selenium in highly absorbable form. Provides calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D for bone health, plus vitamin E for brain support, without the sugar crash. A fermented milk packed with probiotics that improve nutrient absorption and gut diversity. Seniors drinking kefir daily saw 25% better vitamin D absorption and stronger immunity. Contains only the easily digestible A2 protein, reducing inflammation and improving focus. Studies show switching to A2 milk led to 64% fewer digestive issues and sharper cognition. Your milk choice directly shapes your bone, joint, and brain health. Swap the inflammatory varieties for these smarter alternatives. Your body will thank you.